The move to impeach President Buhari is believed to be a collective decision of the senators. Following the impeachment threat by Nigerian lawmakers over the country's security situation, President Muhammadu Buhari has called an emergency security meeting with the National Security Council. On Wednesday, July 27, 2022, the lawmakers, led by Senate Minority Leader Philip Aduda, PDP FCT, staged a walkout after Senate President Ahmed Lawan shut down a move to debate the recent security challenges in the country. The Nigerian Senate has asked the Central Bank of Nigeria Governor Godwin Emefiele to appear before it amid continued depreciation of the nation's currency, Naira. The dollar has maintained a steady rise against the Naira in recent months, leading to high prices of commodities in the market. Gunmen on Friday attacked some officials of the 7th Guards Battalion of the Nigerian Army Presidential Guards Brigade, following the spate of terrorist attacks across the country, particularly in the nation's capital Abuja. Galadima, a former ally of President Muhammadu Buhari, has said the number one citizen of the country may soon be kidnapped. According to Galadima, the only option that remains for Nigerians is to be armed for self-defense. The Kaduna State chapter of the New Nigeria People's Party (NNPP) has called for the disqualification of the presidential candidates of the People's Democratic Party (PDP) and the All Progressive Congress (APC), Bola Tinubu and Atiku Abubakar, ahead of the 2023 election. The Kaduna State chairman of the NNPP, Sani Liti, urged Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) to disqualify Tinubu and Atiku on the grounds of alleged financial crimes during their respective presidential primaries. What do you think can be done to curb insecurity?